Deputy Director of Art and Culture G. Dharmadash Sharma emphasized the importance of observing Lai Haraoba as it depicts the entire historical, cultural and religious traditions of the state. The Deputy Director was speaking during International Dance Day 2024 held today at Pitambara English School at Kwakaithel Hauno Khongnembi, organized by Kanglei Indigenous Martial Arts and Cultural Society, KIMEX. Responding to a question by SKTV News, Deputy Director G. Dharmadash Sharma highlighted his desire to organize Lai Haraoba with basic ritual performances despite the state's prevailing crisis. He further appreciated the observance of International Dance Day 2024 and explained the underlying purpose of the event. Deputy Director of Art and Culture G. Dharmadash Sharma, along with President of KIMEX, President Ningthaujam Ajit Kumar, and Principal of Pitambara English School, Khwaidakpam Nilima, attended the event.
पृथ्वी की मफम खुदिमक्ता इंटरनेशनल डांस डे सेलिब्रेशन पांगथोकनारी डांस कमिटी इंटरनेशनल थिएटर इंस्टीट्यूट यूनेस्को एफिलेट होबा मसिन लेपा काना 1982 दगी हौरकपने इंटरनेशनल डांस डे सेलिब्रेशन से हंदक से निफुनी थोय मफम फारकपा सबाना सही खुदिंगी मैसेज internationally well known dancer na choreographer amana ngasi message pe handaki di Argentina daki amana message pe masi ki marks na Pitambara English School da pangthol bisi yamna nuai maram de makoina handak se initiative khara lawraga school sing da institution sing da culture ki awareness program amka oina asi dance day celebrations de horaga educational institution da hogdokani haba wafam so ingon da mamang su tambiram eduna masi sina na inkhalak liba na sing da art ki tradition ki value culture ki value masi ai tapibi bada amna mating kini nei man loji Manipur gi oina integral ba kano tok tarak suma se creation gi process adagi yum lingak pagi hingna bu lambi adagi yum ba lambi myam na sing gi process myam se loin mok tak through maximum dance ki khudang da movement gi khudang tak pa se maduna maram oidana khoi da maroin la harau san maru oira pa ma masina khoi Manipuri gi society gi maitai gi culture tradition je masi nga na thamuk nambagi lambi ma pi